My name is Robert Oswald from OswaldSupply.com. Let's run through some basic troubleshooting with your trash chute door. Door slams shut. This problem is generally caused by a defective hydraulic door check or by a check that is dislodged from its mount. Door does not self-close. Door remains open when handle is released. Check for broken or missing door stopper, broken or dismounted hydraulic door check, or a frozen latch or handle. Door only partially closes. This problem is usually caused by dirt or garbage buildup on sides or around inside flange of the door, a damaged hinge, or a broken or warped frame. Loose hopper door. If a trash chute door is forced open beyond the stroke of the door check or breaking the stopper, this excessive strain on the door may crack the surrounding wall and loosen the mounting screws. This may also dislodge the wall sleeve, causing the hopper door to loosen. All of these parts can be purchased directly online at OswaldSupply.com. They can be found under the Trash Chute Door tab. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. My name is Robert Oswald. For more how-to videos, please visit our website, OswaldSupply.com.